just got done cabling this line here. We couldn't get past where the camera was holding a lot of water. Actually, the water subsided after we got done cabling it, but we still cannot see what the problem is here. We'll push down and see if we can see anything else. As you can see, we're in a drop here. I put a green dot in the back room right by the water heater to the right of the back door. We're going to continue to back out and get another look at the piping here. But there is an obstruction here you can't see. Yet again, I put a green dot above where this drop is. It's at the very bottom of this drop. And this is Tyler with Linek Plumbing. We're at Chesterfield Veterinarian Clinic, 14161 Olive Boulevard, Chesterfield, Missouri, 63017. And this is going to conclude this DVD.